Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
All right, we're going to pop the hood right here. Pull that lever. There's a release right here. If you go to the center and to the right a little bit, right there. I'm going to grab the prop rod. You can put it right there. A washer fluid is right here. Pull the cap. You can add some washer fluid. Push the cap back down, press it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.